WordPress Widgets, a basic guide for beginners. Hello, and welcome back to our WordPress tutorial series. Today, we're focusing on widgets, small blocks that perform specific functions. These could be anything from a search bar to a list of your most recent blog posts. Let's get started on understanding and using WordPress widgets. Step 1. Accessing your WordPress dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your website's command center, where you can control all aspects of your site. Step 2. Understanding widgets. Widgets are a way to add additional content or features to your site, usually in sidebars or footers, although this can vary depending on your theme. Examples of widgets include custom menus, text boxes, search bars, and more. Step 3. Accessing widgets. From your dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Find Appearance, and when you hover over it or click on it, you'll see a number of options. Click on Widgets. Step 4. Adding widgets. Now you're in the Widgets area. On the left, you'll see a list of available widgets that you can use. On the right, you'll see your widget areas. This will differ depending on your theme. To add a widget, simply drag it from the available widgets area to your desired widget area. Step 5. Configuring widgets. Most widgets will have some kind of configuration options. For instance, the Text widget allows you to add text or HTML to your sidebar. The Recent Posts widget lets you display a list of your recent posts and allows you to choose how many posts to show. Make sure to click Save once you're done configuring each widget. Step 6. Arranging widgets. You can arrange widgets in any order you want. Simply drag and drop them into the order you prefer within your chosen widget area. Step 7. Removing widgets. If you decide you don't want a widget anymore, you can remove it by dragging it out of the widget area back to the available widgets area or by clicking Delete in the widgets options. And that's it for our tutorial on WordPress widgets. These are a powerful tool for customizing your website, so play around and see what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching.
Cherry Limited, empowering your online presence, one solution at a time.